they exceeded the sunlight. Something like that.
YouTube is on. Court reporter's ready to go. Call State of Texas versus Abelardo Gaona. This is cause number 2025-009675. We're here today for a plea. We're hearing using the Zoom application. We're also live streaming the proceedings on YouTube so that it is open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in the Bexar County Jail Court and specifically for County Court Law number 6. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Dan Rodriguez for the state.
Gary Chirek for the defense.
And before we get started, I called the case number, but the paperwork in front of me, as we'll see in a minute, has the old cause number. It has cause number 2025 PF 24860. We're going to proceed with the plea, and then I'm ordering that the clerk update the cause number on the plea paperwork that we have so that it reflects 2025 CC 009675. And sir, are you the same Abelardo Gaona charged by information with criminal mischief between $750 and $2,500? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you some documents. The first one I'm showing you is the defendant's consent to plea by video conference, and I'm using my cursor to circle around an electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're telling me two things. One, you understand we normally do pleas live in an open court, but that you're consenting to do this plea by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes.
Secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all the electronic signatures in the packet in front of me, you're telling me that those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes.
I approve the consent. I make it a part of the record. Sir, I'm scrolling to another document. It's called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Courts Admonitions. It's 2 pages. And on page 2, I'm using my cursor to circle an electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes.
I'm going to get out of share screen. By signing the court's admonishments, you're telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes.
And that you are going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
The rights you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is anywhere up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you signed this?
No, but yes.
Well, that's the sentencing range, sir. That doesn't mean that's what you're getting. Maybe that's a little bit of the confusion there. For this offense, the sentencing range, again, is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the jail. In a minute, I'll have the state tell me what you have agreed to as a sentence, which may be different. But do you understand that it's a Class A misdemeanor, which you've been charged with? Your potential maximums are up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You wish to proceed with that?
Yes, sir.
All right. I approve the waivers contained within the court's admonishments, make them part of the record. And state, can you relate to me the agreement that you have?
$0 fine, court costs, 210 days, Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently. He has more than 210 days in Bexar County Jail.
I'll make that judgment. Satisfied. Counsel, is that your understanding of the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
And then Mr. Gaona, is that your understanding of the agreement as well?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And that's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
There are none, Your Honor.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, then I will allow you to withdraw the plea and we'll proceed to trial as if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Oh, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
If not, then a plea of guilty, no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual or rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
He does, Your Honor.
You believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
He has, Your Honor.
You believe he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
He is, Your Honor.
Sir, to the offense that's listed on your information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Are you pleading? Do you understand you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, sir.
Anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No, sir.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, sir.
I find that plea is freely, intelligently, voluntarily made, that he's mentally competent to enter into the plea, and I find him guilty. Counsel, do we waive the pre-sentence investigation report?
We waive, Your Honor.
Is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
There is none.
There being no legal reason, in accordance with the agreement with the state, sir, I sentence you to 210 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served. There's a $0 fine and court costs. Time and money will run concurrent, and this is judgment satisfied. Sir, this is a plea bargain case. I follow the plea bargain, so you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record and will provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. For the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
No.
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
The matter is concluded. Thank you, sir.
Be excused.
Yes, sir. Thanks, Gary. Let me turn YouTube live off.